I'm about to piss some people off right now. You wanna know why? Because, guys, brace yourself. I'm talking to the truck mount guys, especially. Actually, that's the only ones I'm talking about. Hey, by the way, I'm a truck mount guy, right? Gasoline, Titan 425. But this, my other setup, is electric. Okay, we do got a generator in here. It's not necessary. You got to plug in a bunch of cords, you know, otherwise. And I didn't want to have to do that. So it's on board. So it's not totally 100% electric. But, you know, hey, simplifies everything. Okay, so we got the Vortex Lite here hooked up. 200 foot of hose. You got the little mighty heater right there. A lot of controversy about that thing. A lot of people have experience with this setup and didn't have really great luck with the mighty hot turbo. Yeah, so this one actually is the upgraded model with 2 cords, and I was getting great results. Just testing it out, I was getting about 150. But you know, we're gonna see an actual. And I'm not married to anything, guys. I'm not married to anything, okay? So if I come to a conclusion to where, hey, that's just not gonna cut it, I'll upgrade. But until then, I'm gonna try it out, you know? Intelligent people live off under other people's experiences, right? But it's not like they totally trust it. Do a little research themselves. And if it's easy enough to test it out yourself, go ahead and do it. And that's what I'm doing. So everything's hooked up here. I mean, everything's organized as well as I can do it. Okay, I got my spotter bag up here with me just to keep this back as clear as possible. Okay, so backpack sprayer with the rollers. This one, my guys don't really like putting it on their back. I do, so I got one with a cart as well as the backpack. Okay, I got my wand here. Actually, I'm going to be trading this one out for my one with the gauge on it, because I'm going to be really testing this the hot water. You know, I want some like documented proof, not just, you know, untested theories. Okay, so got my protein. This thing is my first one. The engine went out on it, or the motor went out on it, I don't know, a couple years ago, probably about a year ago. So this vacuum right here is about 6 years old, believe it or not. So I replaced the motor. It cost me 89 bucks. This is a $600 vacuum, so it makes sense, right? So it runs like it purrs like a kitten now. So I got all my pre-sprays and stuff that I use. Okay, my go-to here is carpet detail. My booster right there. I do got some VOM stuff in there too. I'm going to put a VOM back over there, a machine back there for low moisture, like I do in my other van. Yeah, so some solutions back there for that. I got my drill gun. Yeah, gotta have this. Gotta have it. Okay, it's mandatory. Oh, and what I forgot to get out. All right, only thing this is missing right now is the red stain removal. Okay, and I have the Namco steamer, which is the best. In here, right back there. Okay, the best for red stain removal. And I mean, you can do it using iron, guys. Yeah, you can. But you know, you gotta babysit it. I don't like having to babysit stuff. Now, this is what I started out with. It's for a red stain removal. You know, back then it was like $39. Not like that no more. Wallpaper steamer. Because I had to dig this. Was at my house. I had to dig this out. But that's what's going to go into this van. until Wagner wallpaper steamer works just fine, guys. Just fine. Takes a little bit longer for this to start steaming, but what's great about this steaming type of thing is you can walk away from it. If it runs out of water, it ain't gonna do nothing. It's gonna stop. It's not gonna burn anything down. So I actually gotta clean this. So that's gonna be going in there for red stain removal. Now that thing's fully equipped. Only thing I don't have in there right now is my upholstery tool. I got the Mighty. That's gonna be going into that one. But I don't love that one. It always has problems, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's working properly before I stick it in here. And that's something you just kind of test all the time, because it comes apart inside, you know, and it sucks when you're on a job and you have to tear it apart to fix it. But yeah, man, you know, this will rival one of the very small gasoline truck mounts. Good enough for residential, small commercial. Proof is in the pudding. There's commercial videos all on YouTube, people using this. I talk to people all the time that's been using these things for years and making 150, 200 plus, and that's all they're running. Now I got two vans. Okay, I got gasoline, I got this, all right? So that's gonna be my 100% full time. That's gonna be the other one. It's gonna go out when I got it like that on those days, right? And then also, I'm never gonna have to worry about that thing going out and not having to back up like I've been before. Okay, every summer it comes around, it's really super busy for me, and it's like playing Russian roulette, man. It's just like, is it gonna go down right in the middle of the summer, and am I gonna be able to fix it? Yeah, but I did, you know, go to VLM when that happens, but a lot of my customers are pet owners and they're very particular. So that's never gonna happen. Even if that generator went down, it's never gonna happen. I can plug it in, right? Tell me what you think, guys. Actually, I really don't care what you think if it's negative, because I preach so much about this and encourage people, if on a limited budget, to start a carpet cleaning business, and if that's all they can afford, then go with this. Just bypass the entry-level portable. I get so many people saying, you know, portable's never going to do it. A portable's never. This is not an average portable. This is a portable on steroids. Okay? It's a portable on steroids. Yes, you can even get more. You can add another booster to it for vacuum, right? And we'll see. But I already know when I run 200 feet of solution hose out there, the vacuum's just fine. All right, just fine for me. And as far as heat, I don't need 250 degrees heat to clean carpet. I never did, and I never got it. This thing don't get that. The most I get around about this on a hot day is about 220, but normally around 200. Okay, if I'm getting 150 with this, I'm fine. If I'm getting 150 with this, I'm fine. Only time extreme heat like that really matters in extreme situations, you know, really rat nasty. Well, I wouldn't say rat nasty, because rat nasty is a lot of organic and just everything. Oil, grease. If you're doing commercial, that heat really works. All right, on commercial carpet and restaurants and stuff like that, right? So you got that grease and oil, so it helps. But guess what's doing most of the work? It's your chemistry. If your chemistry is on point, you still don't need steaming hot. Okay? Most of fabrics, when you get into fine fabrics and you're doing rugs and you're doing upholstery, you can't get that on anyway. You need to turn that heat off on these, and you'll get warm water. On this, it's gonna have to be way down. Okay, so there's got to be some. I think there's something else that I need to address before I quit this. You know, let me see comments. You know, comments I see coming through here, and a lot of them are all the same thing. You know, you need a diesel heater. Well, we'll see. see if I need a diesel heater. You may need a diesel heater. Yeah, I feel like a bully. I am a bully. Always have been. But and let's see, there was something else. Anyway, if I think, oh, I'll make another little video. But you know, if you're thinking of adding another van, man, you just don't want to come out of your pocket $20,000 for an entry-level truck mount just for the machine itself. You a full setup like this, you can get it for, I don't know, 10 grand. Full setup, like hoses, reels, everything. 10, 12 grand. You know, with the generator and everything. Okay, and then get this, is say you got all this, right? And say, you know, you're doing really good and you want to add a gas. You have everything. All you need to do is pull this out and put a gas in there. Gasoline truck mount. All right, you have everything. You just hook it all up. Boom. All right, so that makes things really easy. And then you can always have this as a backup, or add another van. I don't know.